budget Rwjakmani 22124 crores 23913.56 1516 और 30150.77 1617 और नुफिका चौंतरे कम 1450.44 1718 जे budget एडिशनी और बारे रिजर्व 36296.046 ताबो निजे budget एडिशनी आबोनी double खायजाखा एडिसियो जे रां रहमाने आगिनी जे गवर्नमेंट जे 13 14 15 16 17 18 जे रहमाने आबो budget न नायखांखे दिनैनि जे budget double गुसु फायंखे आगे तो 36296.46 तब आमोनी double Khaiywi तब फायका 67264.30 crore transfer के जे एडिसियो हाँ do angsano erporeo je edis chini oboto edisini je rang Rwjakmani je sauborao nini kormocharino beton re mane pore ke boronote rang kore yes abo chungsiyo jeto mane asuno kamchini babu edisio কিন্তু in addition শুধু edisini rang ya chinaro ट्राइबल साप्लान नि रां गतो जेटा अब चुचिनि स्टेट नि होइते पंचायत थ्रुते जे रां खामानि सुदु जे एडिसियो जे रां जे तमो बाय सियो तंगु साइमान आबो बाय तंग डेभलप खाइमेया 1 crore 2 crore आबो तंग खाइमे किन्तु चिनारो स्टेट नि होइते रां खामानि तो जो आरो तो तंग खाइमानो तिनि कम्प्रेहेन्सिव चंनायने आगेनि बजेट 2022-23-24 Proposal of development of tribal Nije fund Jamani, the state government is committed for the socio-economic development of tribal communities, particularly development of the Tripura tribal area autonomous district council area, and also implementing various tribal development program with full emphasis. Apart from that, new project, various ongoing projects for the development of the people of being reviewed and being made more realistic, keeping the change in respect of time and environment. The state government is making all-out efforts to accelerate the pace of development of the state by creating social and financial infrastructure in the tribal area on a priority basis. The total budget estimated of the state, including pension, interest, and loan payment for the financial year 2023-24 is rupees 27,654 crore 45 lakh. Out of this, an amount of 1406, 14086 and 43 crore, that is 14,086 crore and 43 lakh, including pension, interest and loan payment, repayment, and being marked by the state government, especially for development purpose, out of which rupees 5563.67 crore, 5,563 crores 67 lakh, including pension, interest and loan repayment, is earmarked for the development of tribal dominated area, TSP tribal state plan, which is 39.49% Ongha. In this regard, it is specially mentioned that according to 2001 census, 31% of the total population of the state are tribals. According to the population percentage, the amount of money required to be allotted is 31, but the budget for development of a tribal area through various departments is more than 39.49%. The proposed allocation for the tribal welfare department in the budget for the financial year 23-24 is 1024.46, 1024 crore 46 lakh, which is amount 228.5 crores, 228 crores 5 lakhs, more than the financial of 22-23. The percentage increases 28.71%. Rupees 200 crore has been earmarked under share tax of 23-24, which is rupees 35 crore more as compared to 22-23, 21.2% higher. For transfer of fund to local bodies, 6th schedule, the budget of 23-24 has been kept as rupees 160 crore, which is rupees 10 crore more than budget of 22-23. In the budget for the financial year 22-23, it has been proposed for direct placement of fund of rupees 672.6 crore, that is 672 crores 64 lakh to Ttaadc through various developmental departments of state government. A total of 14 important departments, including Tribal Welfare Department, which is about rupees 53.39 crore more compared to budget of the financial year 22-23 as percentage, which is 8.62%. Chongoro Maikang ke thaunai 2022 ni je budget 22 rizakha tribal welfare budget 795.96, 23-24 budget rizakha 1024.46 crore. Transfer of local bodies 6 rizakha आगे 150.00 crores. 23-24 ni budget rizakha 160 crore. Fund placed directly to Ttaadc's 14 non-light department, including tribal welfare rizakha previous budget of 619.25 crore. Takle ni je budget oro rizakha 672.64 crore. So almost tinta 1024.64, 160 TSP flow of 560.8, almost dot 8 khai to total 57305.8331. Abo almost addition is a rang, track kaisa almost a rang. Sudo tribal area ni baboy. Jarek Agartala tonai, Boroni Boro benefit tonai. In addition to Rankai and Hagachin or additional fund to no wall being where Rizakmoto. Initiative has been taken for preparation of project, namely Tripura Rural Economic Growth and Sustainable Service Delivery Project of worth rupees 1400.00 crore. With the help of World Bank, the main focus of the project is to develop a livelihood opportunities, quality education and roads for development of supply chain in the tribal-dominated blocks of Tripura. The World Bank Board of Directors has approved the project recently and likely to be launched after signing of agreement. The main focus of the project is to improve the quality of life and improvement of education, road, in the 23 tribal-dominated blocks of Tripura, including 12 aspirant blocks Total project cost is rupees 14,140.00 crores, out of which World Bank loan will be 80%, and the state government contribution is 20%. The project will be implemented through Tribal Welfare Department of Agriculture, Public Work Department. Chinooda, I need bondu the samani bini area was a bridge. Abu bridge gorono rang unai. Education Department, Agriculture, Farmers Welfare, Animal Resource Development, ARDD Department, Fishery Department, Information and Technology, and Rural Development. Under the project, 75,000 households will be benefited in livelihood intervention under Tripura Rural Economic Growth and Service Delivery Project to be funded by the World Bank. 31 NOS secondary schools in the 12 aspirant blocks will be directly benefited from infrastructure development by construction of additional classroom and other facilities like labs, library, drinking water, and toilets. Under Ttaadc, students from 108 secondary and senior secondary school in 12 aspirant tribal blocks will be directly benefited from the setting up of vocational education, laboratories, provision of school-based vocational education, and providing in-person career counseling support. The new scheme declared in the budget 23-24, 3 new scheme has been declared for overall development of school scheduled tribe of Tripura. These are Chief Minister Tribal Development Mission Mukhyamantri John. Je chong Khaiywi bagase amendment bill pass hoye. Kintu already about Rajya Sabha klai toja. Angkisana pora khanai. The state government is committed for the socio-economic development of tribal communities, particularly development of Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council area, and also implementing various tribal development for the development of the people and being reviewed and being made more realistic. In order to extend more autonomous district council, after approval of the state government of Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, establishment of town committee bill 2019 has been notified in the Tripura Gazette. Government of India has been presented the draft Constitution 125 Amendment Bill 2019 in the Parliament with a view for overall development of the various autonomous council constituted under 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. To ensure the overall development and for giving more powers to the Autonomous Council of the Northeastern Region, the Constitution 125 Amendment Bill 2019 proposed to include the following matters in respect of Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council. Increasing or number of seats, members from 30 to 50. Block council shall be established for a group of villages in the rural areas. Number C, extending power to transfer of land. D, providing additional power like North Kacharil Autonomous District Council and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to make laws. Renaming Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council as Tripura Territorial Council. During 2018-19 and 2021-22, a total amount of rupees 114.40 crore has been provided to Ttaadc for various developmental activities under special assistance to central plan. During 2022-23, a total amount of 15.64 crore has been provided to Ttaadc for setting up of synthetic football ground at Khomolong and Poddobil, drugs rehabilitation centers and tourist cottage under special assistance capital schemes in the financial year 2022-23. Paisa question To our members, Tripura Motha, ang os hana parinai. Question is, Greater Tripura land and na constitution solution. That has to be one. Either the Greater Tripura land or constitution solution. If it is constitution solution, then the paper is with us. So, ang sini je rang montri ni bill no support khaye ang aina ro ko pai ha jotono khulum kha.